Hey, thank you so much for tuning in to a new episode of Cut to Movies with Vivek and Viru. We'd like to take this opportunity to wish you and your loved ones a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Just before we dive in, we'd like to give you a disclaimer that this episode is filled with spoilers. So please, do watch the film first. Unless, of course, you don't have an issue with spoilers, in which case,
Hello and welcome to another episode of Cut 2 with Vivek and Viru. And today we are in the heart of Madrid, Spain. Vivek, tell us about this film.
yes, today we discuss The Bar, a horror comedy streaming on Netflix, directed by Spanish comic book artist and protege of Pedro Almodovar, who we know specializes in dark comedies. This filmmaker, Alex de la Iglesia, brings a bunch of strangers together in one place and tests the human instinct for survival. This film mixes various genres of horror and even tries to ape the slasher B film treatment to keep the narrative going. Various twists and turns, many of which are predictable, makes you want to go rewatch Almodovar classics instead. Viru, what did you think of the film?
I don't know. It was just like a ordinary or over the top thriller. The basic premise is that, right? Ki there is a problem, everyone is stuck, and then it's a fight for survival. I think we discussed this during that film also, जिसमें vampire वाला Blood Red Sky, where we said that वो जो survival instinct kick in होता है and then you like turn into a villain जो भी है, you think कि I should survive, बाकी मर गए तो मर गए type. तो वो अपन बोल रहे थे कि उसमें भी अच्छा नहीं आया था. इनफैक्ट वी वर गोइंग बैक टू दैट कोरियन फिल्म्स के पास में जा रहे थे कि कहाँ पे वो लोग इतना अच्छे से करते हैं, बुसान ट्रेन टू बुसान टाइप, राइट. तो इसमें भी वैसा एकदम ऐसे लगा कि लाइक मोटिवेशंस ऑफ द कैरेक्टर्स चेंज कभी भी, और कुछ भी हो रहा है लाइक ऐसे ही कुछ नेक्स्ट थ्रिल लाने के लिए कुछ तो एक नया कॉन्वर्सेशन होता है, समवन लाइक टर्न्स फ्रॉम गुड टू बैड एंड देन सडनली थिंग्स एस्केलेट. तो आई मीन it was okay. I mean, I didn't enjoy it too much. What about you?
The first half of the movie was pretty good. Like the way it's kind of all set up, where the people kind of start moving into the bar.
Yeah, agree.
You know,
I also
it
liked
was
the start.
it was unpredictable up to the point where that those two people get shot, and then the plot thickens from there on. But I think later on, the second half and the third half, I think, becomes a bit too predictable. And then in the end, though, it becomes like a slasher flick, which kind of takes away from the whole essence of the film. So yeah, I mean, it starts off promising, like it's going to be something good and something really weird and wacky, but it goes into the whole tried and tested plots.
Correct. I mean, वही था कि I mean the conversations are not like how do we survive, what can we do, is there a plan, is there like a back door that we can try, nothing like that. ऐसे कुछ भी नहीं है. They've just given up. ठीक है, अभी मरने का है, और हम लोग को 3 ये वैक्सीन मिला है, कैसे भी हम लोग में से एक, जैसे how do we divide this, right? And so that was that. And I mean, suddenly a drunkard or a drunk beggar turns into like a beast. वो मतलब वो भी कुछ ऐसा समझा नहीं. And the characters were also like, वो starting में वो जो there this slick guy who's on a laptop and then he turns out to be like a बैड गुड गाय, वो भी थोड़ा स्टार्टिंग में ऐसा बैड टाइप हो जाता है, फिर वापस गुड में कन्वर्ट होता है. आई मीन इट्स जस्ट आई डोंट नो व्हाट वाज हैपनिंग. और ऊपर से द थिंग इज स्टार्ट, जैसे तूने बोला, स्टार्ट अच्छा था एंड वो सेटअप मस्त था स्टार्टिंग में कि सब लोग आते हैं, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स वॉक इनटू द बार एंड देन द थिंग स्टार्ट. तो वो इंटरेस्टिंग था. बट लाइक यू सेड, उसके बाद में इट जस्ट वेंट इनटू अ cliche-ridden story. With not many like exciting parts. Problem है कि रहेगा cliche तो ठीक है, लेकिन something to keep me invested, like, and not just a slasher kind of a thing, right? अगर if it was about like survival and सब लोग मिल के कुछ कर रहे हैं, उसमें there is a twist, someone betrays, वैसा करके कुछ होता तो that's fine. But इसमें तो it was just like drama for the sake
Yeah.
of drama. I had read very good reviews about it actually. In fact, Rotten Tomatoes has some 86% approval ratings were there for that
Wow.
film.
Wow.
So I was like, okay, now that this seems interesting, then sahi hoga. But then it turned out to be like a again B movie type.
Correct.
बना दिया है ना एकदम कम बजट में टाइप वो
Yeah.
वैसा टाइप बट ये डायरेक्टर का ऐसा ही है ना ही वाज लाइक यू सेड लाइक एन एक्स कॉमिक book artist who turned into a filmmaker and I think he's made a few very good films. In fact उसका वो जैसे तूने बोला पेड्रो ने उसको first break दिया था and that film did really well and he's made like several films which have won those वो गोया awards जो है ना उधर का
हाँ
स्पेनिश वर्ल्ड का ये क्या बोलते हैं
फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड।
ऑस्कर
हाँ अच्छा ऑस्कर।
ऑस्कर बोल सकते हैं
हाँ
या वी हर्ड आई थिंक हम लोग जब वो ब्राजीलियन और अर्जेंटीनियन फिल्म्स देख रहे थे तब हम लोग को ये गोया अवार्ड्स के बारे में मालूम पड़ा था द डायरेक्टर्स वन मेनी गोया अवार्ड्स फॉर सेवरल फिल्म आई थिंक ही मेक्स 2-3 फिल्म्स अ ईयर एंड उसमें से 1-2 फिल्म ऐसा ही रहता है कि थ्रिलर डार्क कॉमेडी काइंड्स एंड वो एकदम ऐसे आई थिंक ये प्रियदर्शन स्टाइल या ऐसे आरजीवी स्टाइल काम करता होगा फटाफट लाइक कैरेक्टर्स को एक जगह पे लेके आया 15-20 दिन में शूटिंग कर दिया मैक्सिमम रेडी 1-2 महीने के अंदर पिक्चर रेडी आई थिंक दे वर्क कमर्शियली so he keeps doing it
yeah. But I think for me, like out of all the characters in the film, I felt the homeless man was definitely the best. He remained unpredictable from beginning to end. Like rest of the characters were you could predict what their next action is going to be, and I think the basis on which the film was kind of running, which was on unpredictability. I think the plot and why the virus happened, or why were they trapped in the bar, all of those things were predictable, while that character was completely unpredictable. Like it goes from being a stupid
true.
harmless crazy guy to this really like a beast, like you said. He almost looked like that. He's spewing lines from the Bible, and in the end he almost looks like Jesus has turned into an assassin, of sorts.
He's trying to help them. Like first time they see that small drainage wala jo
oh that
tunnel.
scene.
He says that he will go in, right? And matlab he's trying to save everyone.
Correct.
So he has the right, and then he also realizes that because he's like a poor guy, he's expendable probably.
Right.
And that is why he turns. But then usko na fir ekdam se turn karne ke baad he becomes evil, then he becomes like वो लड़की को ऐसे बुरी नजर से देख रहा है लाइक पहले ऐसा नहीं था बट सडनली देन ही बिकम्स लाइक दैट एंड थोड़ा ये वही एक्सप्लॉइटेशन टाइप का भी था बिकॉज दैट गर्ल वाज एक्सप्लॉइटेड
it became like a B film then, like a B grade film slasher flick type.
If you were in like that kind of a situation, you found out that you were probably going to die and there's this virus, and especially considering aajkal ka situation, what would you do?
I would not fight over that phone and make sure that the phone doesn't we don't lose the phone and call relevant people, because that was one of the dumbest thing that the characters did, which that they just fought over that stupid phone in order to kind of make that call, and they just kind of lost that one chance to get in touch with reality. I mean, so I would kind of not try and not act dumb. I'm not in that situation, but if I was, I'd try and not act dumb and make the most of that one device that you have as a pass to kind of get out of that situation.
I would also think कि अच्छा ठीक है, I mean if we are in that situation, at least someone should try to figure out कि क्या करे ना, मतलब कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते ऐसा, like वो कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते ऐसा कोई कौन सोच रहा है स्टार्टिंग से ही, लाइक ठीक है एक आदमी बाहर गया मर गया, उसके बाद लाइक nobody is trying anything, they have just given up, like the government is behind us and they want to shut this down and they will ensure that we die, so let's not do anything, that kind of a thing. तो वो था, I mean anyway, I mean I was also kind of थोड़ा सा surprised कि in this day and age गवर्नमेंट का अगर मोटिवेशंस होगा तो ऑफ कोर्स दे कैन do this if you come to think of it. Like I was thinking कि कैसे like लोगों को कुछ भी पता नहीं चल रहा है and गवर्नमेंट एकदम एक जगह पे उसको पूरा ये कर रहा है, पूरा दबाने का कोशिश कर रहा है by just killing everyone and दबा रहा है. But ठीक है, that's the plot, that's the situation you are in. So now what you do is the question. एंड उसमें मेरे को मतलब और ज्यादा फ्लेवर्स नहीं दिखे उसमें, सिर्फ ऐसा ड्रामा लाइक यू सेड कि बी ग्रेड फिल्म था और वो एकता कपूर स्टाइल ड्रामा हो गया उसके एक दूसरे से, बट कैरेक्टर्स क्लैशिंग. ठीक है, आई मीन this is one film like which has like kind of I generally see Rotten Tomatoes ka ratings. So this is one film that has made me question the fact that should I be.
But maybe I don't know, like if people listening to this podcast, they might watch it and they might also like it. Who knows? There might be a reason why so many people on Rotten Tomatoes might be liking it, like you said.
हो सकता है. Maybe it's like it is a staple from this guy. Maybe this is what they expect from this guy. Like
correct.
Like होता है ना कि मेरे को अगर मैं जा रहा हूँ सिल्वेस्टर स्टेलोन की पिक्चर देखने या मैं जा रहा हूँ मे बी सलमान भाई की पिक्चर देखने, तो दिस इज व्हाट आई एक्सपेक्ट. So I mean वैसा होगा, I mean and we don't know about that.
Correct.
And this is just what you should expect, and in that case it was done well maybe.
Yeah, and also it's not a really long film, so I mean even if people want to kind of still check it out, it's not going to be that waste of a time for them.
Time pass viewing on Netflix when you have nothing else to watch.
Yep.
ठीक है. I mean I think people should let us know in case if we are like missing something, if there is a deeper meaning to this.
Oh yeah. Maybe that's what we are missing out on.
So if you feel that way, then do let us know in the comments section, and just to prove us wrong, watch the movie and tell us
what you think.
Or if you have already watched it, let us know if you agree to us or you disagree completely. Right. And do follow us, man.
Yes,
you should follow us everywhere, right?
Follow us everywhere on Gaana, Spotify mainly, but other apps as well. We're available on iTunes. We're available everywhere, so please follow us and do give us your feedback and let us know how we can be better.
Sure. Bye.
Bye.